Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. You can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are looking at Rocket to the Golden Moon EA for MetaTrader 5, developed by Milena Papova. On the MQL5 Marketplace, the advisor is listed for a buy price of 399 US dollars with rental options available at 199 US dollars for 1 month or 300 US dollars for 3 months. It currently stands at version 1.7, last updated on September 14th, 2024, with 12 activations available. Now, navigating through the marketplace page, the developer describes this tool as an algorithmic advisor built around a multi-layered recurrent neural network utilizing LSTM architecture for price dynamics prediction. Additionally, the listing notes the integration of a multi-factor asset valuation model, an adaptation of the French model or FAME French model, and with alternative data to spot undervalued market conditions along with VWAP plus technology. All right, the VWAP plus smart order execution algorithm aimed at minimizing slippage and optimizing spread execution. Looking at the working parameters and the operational guidelines detailed on the page, the EA is designed specifically for the XAUUSD or gold symbol on the M5 time frame. The minimum recommended deposit is $100 with a minimum leverage of 1:20. A good ECN broker is recommended by the developer. Now, in terms of risk parameters, the developer explicitly states that the EA does not use martingale, grid, averaging, or other dangerous money management methods. Every position uses or utilizes a hard stop loss and take profit. It's also noted as being FTMO and prop firm ready. All right, so moving over to our historical backtest report in MetaTrader 5. The strategy tester was configured for XAUUSD on the M5 time frame, covering the period from January 1st, 2026 to July 23rd, 2026. Now, the test started with an initial deposit of $10,000 on 1:1000 leverage using fixed lot inputs of 0.01 with standard risk parameters. Okay. But then looking at the chart history and the execution log during this 7 month backtest window, the expert advisor generated 0 total trades across the 38,999 M5 bars and over 46 million ticks processed during the test. None of the neural network entry conditions or asset valuation triggers were satisfied under this specific historical price dynamics. All right, or unless if there is an issue that stopped the backtest from producing the trade. Now, because no trades were opened during this backtest period, net profit, drawdown, profit factor, and win rates all remained at 0. This highlights an important aspect of algorithmic trading. Highly selective or filter heavy EAs may go extended periods without taking a trade if market conditions do not align precisely with their defined entry logic. But let's just head over to the report that was presented here on the page. Let us see what it tells us. So here, this shows us over 3 years, 2021 to 2024, with low risk, and the initial deposit was $10,000, 99% history quality. In this case, $10,000 deposit yielded a net profit of $25,376 net profit. Total trades taken were 283. out of which 274 were profitable, giving us a 96.82% win rate. All right, and then out of these profitable trades, out of these 283 trades, 106 were short trades, giving us 91.51% of the and 91.51% of the short trades were profitable, and all the 177 long trades were profitable. Okay, so that looks pretty impressive. But then the drawdown, the equity drawdown was 7.05%, the balance drawdown was 0.36%. So the drawdown data is also impressive. Okay, 7% might be, moderate to an extent. All right. Now, when evaluating these historical testing results, it is essential to remember that backtests reflect specific parameter setups, history, quality, and data ranges. All right. Different historical periods, broker feeds, spread conditions, or parameter optimizations may produce different trade activity. All right. So here, looking at the balance and equity curve, we can see that the growth was pretty steady over time, although there were steady drawdowns as well. You can see steady drawdowns. The equity was coming below the balance on many occasions. But overall, we can see that the growth was steady over time and the maximum equity drawdown was not so extreme. Okay, so in conclusion, Rocket to the Golden Moon EA for MT4 and MT5 offers a specialized neural network approach tailored specifically for XAUUSD on the M5 timeframe, with clear built-in risk controls like hard stop losses and no grid or martingale logic. However, its entry filters appear highly selective based on our historical testing. And as always, I encourage you to run your own long-term backtest, optimize settings for your specific broker feed, and thoroughly test on a demo account before taking any expert advisor live. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.